Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm continuing my cleaning series. So I have a few groceries to put away. I'm cleaning the kitchen today. So I'm just gonna tidy up and then just get to it. I'll do a voiceover so I don't have to talk through the whole video while I'm cleaning. And before I get started, I'll show you all the things I'm gonna use to clean. So the first thing is just my multi-purpose cleaner. This is Thieves household cleaner. It's just 1 cap full of this concentrate and then filled to the top with water. So it's super easy to make. And this bottle is my second one that I have purchased ever. And the first one lasted me a year. So this will last you forever. It's $22 and it makes right around 20 bottles this size of cleaner. The next thing I'm going to be using is my soft scrub that I made also with Thieves. It has 2 cups baking soda, 4 tablespoons of water, 10 drops of Thieves or Citrus Fresh essential oil, and then Thieves household cleaner. So this is that, and it is the same exact consistency as soft scrub. It's like gritty, but it's kind of like a paste. I have to mix it up. I haven't used it in a while. And it smells really good. It's non-toxic. I use this mostly for the oven and our sink sometimes. So if you need a soft scrub, that's a really good recipe. And then the last thing I'll show you before I get started is I'm going to fill my diffuser with purification because this cleans the air while I'm cleaning everything else. So I'm going to jump into it.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just put everything away and kind of clear the countertops so I have space and room to work, and so everything is out of the way. I am going to fill my diffuser as well, and I, like I said, used purification. Citrus Fresh is also a good one while cleaning. And then I also added just a little bit of water and Thieves spray to the soft scrub that I had just to kind of re-moisten it and mix it all up. Then I'm just going to clean all of the windows and blinds in that weird, like awkward corner just with my regular Thieves spray. Then moving to the microwave and oven, kind of just working from the top down on everything. And again, just using my regular Thieves household cleaner, the multi-purpose that I had. And then for the oven also, I'm going to use the soft scrub that I made, and it works really well on the door as well as like inside the oven. We have one of those that is not self-cleaning, so this comes in handy. And then again, working top down, just kind of doing the cabinets. With white cabinets, it's really nice to have just a good and easy cleaner to use, because they are pretty high maintenance. And then cleaning just things on the counter. Don't forget the backsplash, and then countertop, and then moving just kind of around the kitchen, doing the fridge. I also like to clean the inside of the refrigerator with the Thieves too. That gets pretty gross sometimes, so I like to use that. Then I'm just going to kind of put stuff back and move along. Again, just doing cabinets, backsplash, countertop, as well as the bottom counter or cabinets, dishwasher. And then I also clean my mats, my kitchen mats, with the Thieves cleaner. Then for our sink, disclaimer, do not get a copper sink. It's really hard to clean and to keep looking really nice, but I do use the Thieves dish soap for that, and it does a good job. Then I'm just going to vacuum up all the dirt and dust, and then I have this cool mop that has kind of like a water bottle type attachment where you can just put anything in there, and I just put a cap full of Thieves and water, and that's how I mop. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below, and have a good day. Bye.